You. My name is Carlos Costa, and this presentation will be about OpenCV. This presentation will start with a generic description of OpenCV, then some of the features like read and save, resizing, split and merge images, add images, rotation, and also ROA. CV is an open source computer vision library. It is a programming library mainly aimed at real-time computer vision. The library is across platform, and it is also free software for use under the open source Apache 2 license, and originally was developed by Intel. How to import the library, then how it is possible to read an image and then to write it, to read from a file. In this case, the file it is named image01.png, and then to write the image 01a.png, and as it may be possible to see, it shows the resolution and also the number of channels. In this case, we have 3 channels. By the way, the type allows to identify what it is the type of data used. In this case, as you may see, the information it is stored in NumPy array. Here I show how it is possible to read from a file that it is stored in the internet. In this case, we have to put the URL, and in order to do it, to perform this task, we have to use a library. In this case, the URL lib. And like in the previous case, the information it is stored in a local variable. It is the image _1, and this variable, like in previous case, it is also an array. We use the image show, show from the OpenCV in order to display the image. Another alternative, it is using the same method used by Matplotlib. Also, how it is possible to resize an image. We may resize using the specific number of pixels, but we also may resize according the percentage of the initial resolution of the image. I will show how to convert the initial image from color space to another. In this case, I'm converting from BGR, or blue, green, and red, into gray. We can convert also from gray to BGR, or from BGR to RGB. So those are possible color schemas that may be used. And then the second cell allows to show the result. To split a color image into individual channel and combine individual channel into a color image. A color image consists of 3 channels, namely RGB, in what means red, green, and blue, but in case of OpenCV, it will be BGR, as OpenCV use this color format. Now we can split this image into individual channels using cv2.split command. The code above splits the color image into individual channels and then display each channel image. Notice that we used BGR instead of RGB when saving the individual channels from split command, as OpenCV used this color format, as I said previously. Then we can also merge the image color channel to form the color image like we had it previously. It is what this small code allows to do. Here shows how it is possible to add the information from two images, and the information it allows to create a new image that it is the the sum of the previous two images. So possible to filter image. For example, if I want to blur the image, I can use several algorithms, and here we can see some of those algorithms that may be used, like Gaussian blur or median blur, and how it is possible to rotate an image. Sometimes you'll have to play with certain regions of interest, or ROA. For example, for eye detection in images, first we perform the face detection over the image until the face is found. Then we search within the face for the region of the eyes. This approach improves the accuracy because eyes are always on face, obviously, and performance because we search for a small area. In this case, I have an image of Parque das Nações. The first image allows us to see only the Vasta Gama Bridge. My region of interest is just a specific area. ROA is again obtained using NumPy indexing, as may be seen in the code. And here I am selecting a group of person jogging. Started by presenting this library, OpenCV, then some of the operations like reading, saving, image resizing, splitting, and merging images. I also present how to add images, how to rotate, and also how to manipulate specific areas called ROA.